Hey there, fourth grade. Let's go through our music lesson checklist for this week. So number 1 is going to be watch my video. Number 2 and 3, this week we are going to have a little rhythm imposter quiz. So before we do that, we're going to do a practice round of rhythm imposter. Now for the last few lessons, I think I've linked a rhythm imposter activity for you to do, so we're going to do one last practice round before we do the real thing on the quiz. So I'm going to click on number 2 and let's do this together.
Writing's not that easy.
Alright, so I'm going to go through the video. I'm going to explain again how this game is going to work. We're going to do a few of them together and then you can do the rest on your own. Alright, so let me see. For the rhythm imposter, alright, on the YouTube video, there are going to be different colored characters on the screen. And then underneath them, there are going to be some kind of a rhythm pattern. So the characters are going to play some kind of rhythm pattern. You have to listen to check if it matches what's underneath them. If it does match the rhythm that's down here, then they are not imposter. But if it doesn't match and they play the rhythm wrong, that means they are imposter. So right now I want you to find either your whiteboard and a marker or maybe some spare piece of paper if you have that. And I want you to write a list number 1 to 12 because there are going to be 12 different colors on the screen that you're going to listen for. And let's do the first, how about let's do the first 2 of them together. So you're going to write number 1, red, and let's do this together. And a little heads up, a little tip, there are only going to be 4 total imposters. So there's only going to be 4 times that they play the rhythm wrong. So let me go back here again. Alright, and while you're doing this, one more thing. I also want you to practice reading the rhythm here so that you know what you're listening for when they play it. So let's read this rhythm together using tas, TTs, and a sh. Alright, ready, go. Ta, ta, ti, ti. Let's do it one more time. Ready, go. Ta, ta, ti, ti. Alright, so now let's listen and see if it matches. Let's listen again. They're going to play each of them 2 times. Let's listen to red again. Alright, so the beginning sounds great, but then when they get to this sh or this rest, they're playing some notes, and that is not correct. So on your paper or on your whiteboard, you're going to write red, and then you're going to write imposter, because they played the rhythm wrong. Let's do another one of these together. Let's listen for the next color. Alright, so on your paper, write number 2. The color is lime. Now let's read this pattern together. Ready, go. Ta, ti, 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 ti. Alright, let's listen if it matches. Alright, so far it sounds pretty good, but let's listen again. Alright, so it does match. So for number 2 on your paper, you're going to write lime and then not imposter. And the rest of the colors you're going to practice on your own. So like the next one is black. I want you to practice saying this rhythm pattern first, and then you can listen to it. And when you get to the end of all the colors, they are going to give you the answers. All right, but this is just a practice, so make sure that you do go through all of it and then check the answers at the end so you can do good on that quiz. All right, so for example, time to reveal the crewmates and imposters. All right, we did this one together, but we knew that red was an imposter. And then let's look at lime, reveal our answer for lime, and it says lime was not the imposter. So it's that easy, just do this practice on your own. And when you're done with that, I'm going to show you how our quiz is going to work. So on Schoology, the April 4.25 folder, you have the checklist at the top and then the quiz underneath. So click on the quiz when you're done. All right, let's see. So you are going to have 3 attempts or 3 chances to take this quiz. I'm going to press Start New Attempt. All right, and there are 6 questions total. So the first 5 of them are going to be very similar. So for example, the first one, there's going to be a video. You're going to play it. All right, listen to the video. And then A is going to be not an imposter, so that means they played the rhythm correctly. And B is going to be imposter, that means they played the rhythm wrong. So in the videos, I also recorded my little mouse moving on the rhythm patterns, so you can follow along and see if it matches up or if it doesn't. So question 1 to 5, there are going to be 5 of those. Listen to the video and then respond. And the last one, 6, this one's a little bit tricky. You are taking a music quiz right now, true or false. I sure hope everyone gets that answer correct, that hopefully you are indeed taking a music quiz right now. And then you just have to submit on the bottom. Now, if you get done with that and you still have a little bit of extra time, I have a little bonus play along link on the bottom. And of course, you can play Incredibox, Chrome Music Lab, thecode.org, or any of the other extra stuff I have on the side. All right, that's it. If you have any questions, message me on Schoology, and I'll see you next time.